Hey there, creators! Wondershare just released Filmora 14 with some awesome new features for all of us creative folks. One of the highlights is the AI image to video feature. If you want to become a pro at using this feature, make sure to keep watching. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then, install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Filmora's AI image to video feature is your go-to buddy for creating content that can go viral. It takes your images and smartly analyzes them, adding fun effects. With these lively effects, your images are transformed into eye-catching videos that are just perfect for sharing on social media. Get ready to make your content shine and grab everyone's attention effortlessly. What is image to video? Image to video is a process of converting your static images into lively video, and Filmora offers a wide range of effects to convert your still images to viral content, like AI hug, AI kiss, AI fight, disintegration, struck by lightning, horror crack, day for night, and many more. Why choose Filmora's image to video generator? Transform any photo with our #1 AI video generator. With Filmora's amazing AI video features, you can easily turn your images into fun videos and mix in the latest trending effects. Create quirky clips or B-rolls that are up to 10 seconds long and full of personality. Here are 9 of the coolest AI video effects that are trending on TikTok right now. AI kiss, AI hug, AI fight, disintegration effect, and so much more. Have fun exploring. Take your content even further with full, powerful editing tools. Fine-tune your video with options like trimming, adding music, transitions, text overlays, and special effects. Whether you want to turn pictures into video with music, enhance the visuals, or create a more polished final video, Filmora offers everything you need to perfect your AI-generated video. How to use AI image to video in Filmora in easy steps? Step 1. Launch Filmora, and from the Start interface, choose the AI image to video option. If you can't find it here, go to the Toolbox tab and select AI image to video, and it'll open the AI image to video window. Step 2. Now select the effect of your choice from 10 available options. Click on Upload to upload your image, select the image, and press OK, and a new screen will pop up. Here on the top, you will get 2 picture modes. First one is single mode, which you can use to convert a single image to a video, and the second option is stitch mode, in which you can upload another image. It combines both images into a single, lively masterpiece video. Then in resolution, you can select between landscape or portrait. Step 3. Once you're done uploading the image or images, click on Submit and relax. Let the AI do all the hard work for you. And in a few minutes, you'll get your AI to generate video from the image. Step 4. You can use the Custom option, in which you can generate a video in your own style by writing a prompt. Finally, you can edit the generated video further by adding effects, filters, stickers, and so on. To use the awesome AI feature in Filmora 14, update or download the latest version from the link in the description. If you found this helpful, give us a big thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. If you're interested in visual effects and tutorials, check out filmora.wondershare.com. See you in the next video with another Filmora 14 feature.